Ni hao, Dobrodošli nazad, and welcome. Peace be upon you guys. Assalamu alaikum. Here we go. Today we have something very interesting. I'll be showing you an LTE cloud phone app. This is a cloud service-based platform, basically application that allows you to have kind of a virtual smartphone somewhere in China, basically over the servers. This server which I'm using is from Russia. They have also Singapore, but since I'm living in Europe, somehow the closest server is Russia. Nevertheless, what is the cool about this, of course, application, that it's zero, guys, it's zero cost regarding downloading. So remember, just to give you an example, if you want to download yourself over this server, cloud server-based, basically application phone, you have a phone inside of a phone. You don't have it, but it's somewhere on the servers. So if you want to download, let's just say a game of 3-4 gigabytes, it will not take from your mobile data, guys. It will basically take it from the servers of the original phone. So that is very cool. And what is specific about this app, of course, is using it for playing some strategy games or turn-based games which require, or let's just say auto-battle games, which requires from you to have your phone constantly on, so you can progress like that. Well, with this one, you can just simply open the game, let it run some strategy game, and you can simply close the application, guys. You don't have to close it, basically just put it in the RAM management. And since the activation, the control is happening in the server, you can just continue using it in your phone as normal, guys, as normal. That is very, very impressive. What I love about it, with the latest update, you can even upload some files of the server, so you can actually upload a picture or maybe a video or sound or something like this, audio, to that server phone from this location where you are right now. That is very impressive, guys. That's very impressive. Also, with the latest update, they added also sound effects enabled. So we will show you this everything in this video. So follow this video till the end. If you want to try this app for free, you can do it. Of course, the download link will be in the description. If you want to purchase VIP or QI VIP package, you can do everything over their site. Anyway, that should be it. Let's begin with this video. Okay, welcome back. So here we go. This is the official website of this LTE cloud phone app. You can simply download it through the website, or you can download it from the Play Store. I think through the website you get the latest build, guys. Anyway, when you've done that, you're gonna install it and you're gonna have this application, and this is how it looks like. From here you can access different settings. You can purchase VIP or QI VIP. I repeat again, at the beginning you can just test trial version, guys. Anyway, let's open here and let's go inside of this server-based phone. Here we go. We are inside, and you can see by yourself, I did download a few games, a few apps. Firstly, you can see by yourself that it's running right now at an auto resolution. It can go 360p, which is the lowest resolution. And by the way, you're gonna have less lags with this one if you go to the maximum resolution than 80p, until they obviously upgrade this app so much and add more servers online, of course, all around, let's just say Europe, USA, Asia. I can see by myself right now the differences in the resolution when I pump it up to 1080p. What we can test the YouTube. You can see by myself here the YouTube. So guys, when you are downloading, what is super cool, which I already said, when you're downloading a game 2-3 GB, it will not take from your mobile data, guys. If you have a, contract with your mobile company, it will not take it's gonna take basically from the Chinese server there, from the Chinese phone. And let's go to AIDA64 here and show you right now what kind of specs we have. What did we buy for this money? We get the Samsung Exynos 7870. This is the Exynos 7 Octa, built on 14nm chip technology. We're gonna check it with another app, and we can see by ourselves that it is actually running Exynos 7870 with 8 GB of RAM. I think it is 8 GB of RAM. Here you go, you can see by yourself. Anyway, so you have a Play Store, guys. You have a Play Store. You can download everything which you can download with your phone. You can see by yourself all the apps are there. So specifically, which we said, the auto battle games and strategy games. What is cool about this new update is you can actually upload a picture to this Chinese phone. Check this out, guys. So we are uploading right now these pictures from this actual physical phone to the virtual phone. That is also epic. That is seriously epic also. You can also download, let's just say, files. Let me just see what do we have in downloads. Okay, APK files. I think it can APK files here. Download pictures. So far, pictures, yes, or apps. Download manager. Okay, or apps. This is the apps of my phone. This is the apps of my phone which I have. Let's see here, uploading. It's uploading over there. Should be run. So if I go here back to the phone, I wonder where is it? It should be in the gallery. Let me just check it out. Is it in the storage of the phone? And indeed it is. Indeed it is. That is epic. So right now we are checking these pictures over the cloud browser, of course, based server phone. That is seriously nice, man. That is very, very nice. Of course, now we're going to move to check the games. And for the end, the most important thing, I repeat again, guys, this app requires more updates, much more updates. The latest update, they added better resolution. They also added this uploading files, uploading pictures for storage. What is cool about it, that you can store these private pictures to the server. And what else? Of course, they added sound effects. Audio is enabled with this latest update. Previously, they didn't have the audio enabled. Let me just go here back to YouTube. I'm gonna go to YouTube. There we go, guys. Right now, we are listening an audio over the cloud-served phone, which is superb, man. Seriously superb. This is 1080p. I'm gonna run to 720p. Awesome, man. I'm gonna go back. Anyway, let's finish this video with the gaming. I hope you enjoyed this test. Remember, guys, you can download every single Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, everything. I might even let's do something interesting before gaming. Let's do a benchmarking of this cloud server based smartphone. It's gonna be very interesting. Let's do it. Oh, don't tell me this is a Samsung with the Android 8. Wow, they upgraded. Previously, I think they had Android 6 or Android 7 phone, but right now they upgraded the specs. Okay, just here we have the benchmarks for this cloud server based app, basically phone. Here we go. Interesting, very interesting to do benchmarking over the cloud server app, man. This is the first time I'm doing it, seriously. So it's very interesting for me, to be honest, very interesting. You can see myself, this phone has really basic Google apps and that's it. Very, very clean cut phone, that's it. Anyway, I think from here we can access also, you can see by yourself, you can go to brightness. I think the brightness is just, you can't control the brightness, it just makes no sense. You can control the brightness from here. You can see by yourself, because you're controlling the physical brightness, you can't control the brightness of the virtual phone. Portrait, flashlight, airplane, all of this is just not necessary. We can go to the settings and from here you can access obviously the Wi-Fi, where they enable the Wi-Fi, display, apps, permissions for different apps you can access from here. So remember, you do everything from here, guys. You don't do this from your physical phone. And about the phone, and indeed it is running Android 8. Indeed it is running system update. I don't think we can do also the updates from here. It's about probably they do all of this physically by themselves there. Anyway, let's go now and finish this video for the gaming. Okay, just another great example of this app is I'm just using an example, a game called Raid, which has an auto battle mode on. So since this is a cloud server based basically app, you have a different phone, you can just simply right now exit or put basically this app in RAM management and just do your stuff regularly, which you do with your phone. You can just check there and check a little bit of YouTube, maybe browse a little bit of Facebook, Instagram, whatever you use, Chrome Beta. What I noticed that the sound effects are still running in the background. They need to fix this with the future update. You can simply obviously turn off the sound effect and music in the game itself so you don't hear them, but they will need to fix this issue. This is also should be fixable. Anyway, let's wait half minute. Okay, here we go. So the battle is finished, guys. The battle is finished. You can see myself here. I just entered and I got this finished. That is so cool. We have to admit that this is cool. This is basically you are just starting some new game with this cloud-based app, and it will automatically play game for you. So you don't have to have the screen on time already of your physical phone. Plus zero mobile data, guys. If you don't have Wi-Fi in your phone, in your home or outside, all the costs will go to the company itself of this app. Amazing. Let's go with the next example. Here we have another example, a game called Rise of Kingdoms. Stay tuned. Here we go. So we are inside of the game. So this is a strategy game, guys. This is not a kind of auto battle game like the previous game which we tested. So this one is strategy, building your city, building your tribe, your village, you name it. What is cool about it, obviously, very important, is building up your city. So you know that as soon as you progress, maybe this app is not that handy at the beginning, because at the beginning the construction takes just few seconds, but later on when you move to level 20, level 50, when it takes like 4 or 5 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, 48 hours, then this app is very handy. This app is very handy, remember that. Anyway, so like Groot, you can just a small sample example, and you can see Basaf, that the sound effects are on, and I'm having here this game running at 720p. We can also put it at 1080p. And of course the resolution will be much higher, but you're gonna feel obviously more lags because of the server itself. They need to work more on having more servers around Europe, around USA, Asia, etc, etc. Right now I'm lowered the graphics, and you can see that the game frame rate is faster. It is faster. So this is another example.